We're Zender Environmental Health, and this prize will help bring green energy and environmental equity to about 200 rural Alaska Native communities using anaerobic digestion, or AD, to convert cold poop into hot power. Our team of experts on AD and Alaska sanitation, energy, and housing first met here in a larger group on the science of AD in the Arctic. We formed a prize team because
it works in the Andes and the Himalayas. If it works in these cold and remote locations, why not in Alaska? Too many families and whole communities here that poop, it's in a honey bucket. A 5-gallon bucket used as a toilet. That gets dumped here, honey bucket dump. Or if that's closed, in an open access, uncovered dump site. Either way, all the pathogens, PFAS, and heavy metals, and more easily make their way to here, where people may get their food and water.
In a place where poverty is above 25% and a gallon of milk costs $10, total household energy costs can be 47% of the median household income. Fuel for heat and power is so expensive because it's barged in once a year. But honey buckets are a sustainable energy source in the community now. And like taxes, human waste will always be certain. For communities overhauling their pipe systems or relocating due to climate change, AD can make wastewater lagoons obsolete.
Why Zender? These villages are small, less than 1,000 people, and isolated Alaska style. They're all off the road and only accessible by small plane. We've worked with nearly all of them, providing hands-on assistance and training for water quality and waste and administrative capacity building.
making on-site visits is logistically difficult, and communicating well with tribal communities takes a mutual trust that takes years to establish, something we never take for granted. Bridging the divide for agencies, regional entities, universities, and businesses to help meet needs is something we do all the time. For example, in partnership with DOT, we're bringing in culturally adapted hazmat and OSHA safety training to village environmental workers and small plane crews. With state DOL and EPA, we operate a job training program. And we do bridging and collaboration well. We've received numerous awards from the people that count, the communities and tribes themselves.
Our local, national and international team is ready to solve any scale, logistical or technical challenge thrown our way. Our vision is simple: get desperately needed green energy to turn this into this, for honey buckets now and new piped systems next. With the prize, the team will work alongside villages, developing and delivering a green energy course for jobs.
And we'll engage stakeholders and sit down with everyone to map out pilot work ahead.
Look, Alaska Native communities have thrived for thousands of years, and they'll continue to do so no matter what we do.
But these are the nation's smallest of towns, the most remote of locations, coldest of weather, lowest of incomes, and highest of health disparities.
We should do this, and if we can do it here, we can do it anywhere. By righting the wrong of sewage dumps on lands that people depend on and creating energy that communities need. So the value of this project's impact, it's priceless.